Artificial intelligence is writing code, creating videos, answering customer questions, designing images, and even helping doctors diagnose diseases. Every few weeks, another headline claims that AI is coming for our jobs. It raises one important question. Will artificial intelligence replace human workers, or is the reality far more complicated? This is the kind of question we explore on Qriosity Quest, where curiosity leads us beyond the headlines and into the facts. Throughout history, every major technological revolution has created fear. During the Industrial Revolution, machines transformed factories. Later, computers entered offices around the world. More recently, the internet changed nearly every industry. Each innovation replaced certain kinds of work, but it also created entirely new professions that never existed before. Artificial intelligence may be following a similar path. But many professions depend on qualities that machines still struggle to replicate. Teachers inspire students. Doctors build trust with patients. Engineers solve unexpected problems. Scientists create new discoveries. Leaders make difficult decisions with incomplete information. Artists express emotions and culture. These jobs require creativity, reasoning, ethics, communication, and human understanding that extend far beyond pattern recognition. Even software engineering provides a good example. Modern AI tools can generate code, explain bugs, and speed up development. But deciding what to build, designing reliable systems, understanding business requirements, reviewing security, and making architectural decisions still depend heavily on human expertise. AI has become a powerful assistant rather than a complete replacement. History shows that technology rarely eliminates work completely. Instead, it changes the kind of work people perform. Farmers adopted tractors. Accountants adopted spreadsheets. Designers adopted digital software. Today, professionals across almost every industry are beginning to adopt artificial intelligence. Those who learn to work alongside new technology often become more productive than those who ignore it. This shift is already creating entirely new careers. Companies now hire AI engineers, prompt engineers, machine learning researchers, AI safety specialists, data engineers, AI product managers, and many other roles that barely existed a few years ago. Every major technological breakthrough creates opportunities alongside disruption. The greatest risk may not come from artificial intelligence itself. It may come from refusing to adapt. Imagine two accountants. One learns to use AI tools that automate repetitive reports and calculations. The other continues working exactly as before. Over time, the accountant using AI becomes faster, more efficient, and capable of handling larger and more complex projects. The advantage belongs to the person who learns, not simply to the technology. Researchers often describe this idea with a simple phrase: AI will probably not replace you. But someone who knows how to use AI effectively might. The most valuable skills of the future will combine technical knowledge with creativity, communication, critical thinking, ethical judgment, and continuous learning. These are abilities that become even more important in an AI-powered world. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an incredible pace, but it is still a tool created by humans. Like every powerful technology before it, its impact depends on how people choose to develop, regulate, and use it. The future is unlikely to belong to humans alone or machines alone. It will belong to humans who know how to work intelligently with machines. So, will AI replace human jobs? The answer is both yes and no. Some repetitive tasks will disappear. Many existing jobs will evolve. Entirely new careers will emerge. History suggests that the people who remain curious, adaptable, and willing to learn are usually the ones who benefit most from technological change. The world is changing faster than ever before, and every breakthrough raises new questions about our future. This was Qriosity Quest. Subscribe and join us as we continue exploring the hidden stories behind science, technology, and the world around us. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and keep exploring.